So students, lesson 1, join the jungle. Today it's part 3. So let's start it. Next day, Munnu goes to the jungle with his father to see the rhino once again. So next day what happened? He goes with his father to see that rhino. But she is not there. Munnu looks for the rhino. He finds that rhino is trapped in a ditch. When he looks around in jungle, there was no rhino. But afterwards, when he see the rhino, when they search for the rhino, then they found it that in a ditch. Ditch is this. This is a ditch. Ditch, you can say, a very big hole where they were trapped. Her baby is standing close to her, and as you can see, there is a rhino and there is a baby rhino too. Both are trapped in a ditch. Munnu's father calls some villagers, and together they dig another trench beside the ditch, and the trench is like a passage so that rhino can come out. So what happens, students? Munnu's father called other villagers and they digs a trench. Now what is trench? A deep hole. A deep hole, they dig it in such a way so that rhino can easily come out of this big ditch. Okay, a passage through it. Passage means a path, a way out, so that the rhino can come out. The villagers move aside to allow the rhino to come out, but the rhino doesn't move. Everybody is worried. Now they have made the path, but even then, rhino was not even standing up. She was not moving. She was not trying to move out of that ditch. And now by seeing this, every villager and everyone was very worried. They were in tension. Munnu starts playing his flute. So he starts playing his pipe. Hearing the melody of the pipe, the rhino stands up and slowly comes out of the ditch. Hearing the melody. After hearing the melody means the tuning of the flute which was played by Munnu, the rhino stands up and slowly she starts walking. Okay. Munnu goes on playing the pipe. Slowly the rhino disappears deep into the jungle along with her baby. He keeps on playing the flute. Okay, and alongside what happens? The rhino, she comes out with her baby out of that ditch, and afterwards she moves into the jungle. So that's the end of the chapter, and finally the rhino was saved. And the chapter is written by Santanu Tamuli. Okay, it was published by National Book Trust, India. So what do you learn from the chapter is love animals, do not harm them. Everyone have feelings in this world, not just human beings, even animals too. So we should respect everyone's feeling and help everyone. Thank you.